Ramashankarji, you have been a very strong proponent of the road safety, and if I may term you the road safety warrior of India, what has made you so passionate about this road safety? And do you see any positive development also in terms of government regulations in this field? And I would just like to share some statistics with our viewers to understand the gravity of the situation. I think almost as per figures, latest figures, 53,872 people lost their lives on national highways in 2019, and another 38,472 people were killed on the state highways in 2019. So, Ramashankarji, it is really a passion that you have undertaken, being called the road safety warrior of India. So what we would like to understand, what made you so passionate about this topic, Ramashankarji?
I think first of all, I'm thankful to you that you brought this topic because yes, it is a passionate topic. Why? Because sometimes when you see a problem and a solution very close, and in your mind it is so close, you cannot stop yourself telling the whole world, guys, we can do it, we can solve it. When the whole India feels that the road crashes are part of a development story, it's like a resigned situation. I believe it can be solved because it is scientific. When polio, somebody conceived that polio can disappear from this country, I'm sure that that person must be intrigued with that something can be done, and today we see that happening. Similarly, like child mortality, by scientific intervention today India child mortality has come down. Unfortunately, road crash for some of our population in India, either they are overconfident, they don't think about this on a high priority, and they think they will never get in touch with a road crash, so they don't care. And then there's other portion of the population who thinks whatever they do in terms of safety measures, in terms of taking precaution, they'll be hit by some idiots who on the other side. So, we have a very resigned situation. People feel the road crash is like an act of God. It's like a bad luck. That's why you see people have this lemon and chili, hanging, nimbu mirchi we call. Or when a kali billi jab jati hai na, when a black cat passes, you see maximum people will stop because there's a superstition with the road crash, which is not true. It is science. When you do a road research, you will know about the cause and effect. When you know the intervention, you do that intervention, your crash will come down. Europe has done it. I know that they can do even better, but they have done it much faster what India could do. And we are having millions of us use road every day. 415 families, even today, even yesterday, even tomorrow, 415 families does not get back their people home in the evening or in the night or next day. Can you imagine what happens to those families? We have millions of these Indians dying, and this is avoidable. So why I am passionate, Rajeshji, is because I know it's like the same feeling now when you are in your childhood days and you are solving a puzzle, and you know that puzzle is solvable, and you are there. To me, it looks like we are there. We have so many studies and scientific way to sort it out, but they are not coming together. My problem is there is no political priority to this. There is no leadership given. In the industry, you are giving priority. In the automotive industry, people are giving priority. ACMA, SIAM, FICCI, CII, FAD, everybody is giving priority. But the leadership of this country has to give the priority to this topic. The day you give the priority, I guarantee you, we will avoid these crashes. Today you have, the chance of everyone getting a crash in his working life. You know how much it is? 1 in 4. Can you imagine such a high? Every one of us, 1 in 4, will have a crash in our working life. And every 1 in 13 will have a fatal crash. And all these young people, productive people, every day you have pedestrian more than 60 dying, more than 100 plus two-wheeler drivers are dying every day. This is nowhere in the world. And that's why I'm telling you that I'm not a road safety warrior alone. You are a road safety warrior. That's why you are taking this topic today. And this is good enough. As you have taken this topic in this interaction between you and me, and a lot of people will hear that, I'm sure this will go as a chain reaction. You know what we have done in COVID time? There's a new campaign we have started because social distancing is a behavioral change. You also accept that, na? Across the world. It's a behavioral change which happened in no time. In weeks' time, from a village to Munich kind of city, everybody understood what is social distancing. It was world's biggest behavioral change so fast. Now, can we learn from there? And we have just started a campaign where all these organizations, more than 400, have come together. It is called Duri Hai Zaruri, which is traffic distancing. Just like social distancing, can we do traffic distancing? Can we maintain 2-second mandatory? It is mandatory. But in India, we are at 600 microsecond. That is why we are crashing. That's why we are tailgating. Because we are not maintaining minimum braking distance. Even an engine, even a brake cannot stop before there's a physics attached, there's a momentum attached. So you have to accept the physics of it, which is science, pure science. Your Nimbu Mirchi will not help you, your Kali Billi will not help you. We need this scientific understanding among people, and that's why I'm passionate. That's why I think we are just very close to solve it, very, very close. And Duri Hai Zaruri is a campaign which is really taking everybody very silently like a movement. Around 20,000 people has been trained online. In January month, we are going to be on road now. We'll have some kind of a rally. Everybody will show by demonstrating it is possible to drive in India also in lane maintaining distance. Just by 2 factors, you will save 35% of this road crash. So in fact, I appeal from your platform today that please go on www.durihaizaruri.com, accept this traffic distancing as a protocol in your organization, and whatever you need as a support, it is a free campaign. There is no sponsor at this point of time for this campaign. It is an open source campaign. So you can use all its literature, all its creatives, and do it in your own company. It's called micro training. The idea is to micro train 1 million people, and then they will take it forward. Then on roads, you will see a difference. Because if India will be seen differently on the road in terms of traffic behavior, I think a big confidence will come in the country. Just like Swachhta Abhiyan. Then you see that in road, people will start behaving. They will drive in lane. And that's why we say, jab hum badlenge, to desh badlega. We have to transform ourselves, be the change in that. So I think road crash, arresting road crash is a topic, Rajeshji, which is very close to not only my heart, all of you. When I talk in the executive committee meeting in our ACMA or in SIAM, everybody is equally passionate. I'm not the only one passionate about it. But now the time has come that we convert that passion into an action, which is really dropping the number of people dying. Otherwise, believe me, 1 in 4 getting a crash. You are not waiting for that situation to come. In the world, every year, 1.2 million people die out of road crash. Can you imagine?
Right.
5 crore people become handicapped or injured. It is not given as much priority. With Corona, lockdown, everybody did everything what is needed. Such a high priority. Give some priority to road crash. That's my sincere request. Give some priority. Why people are not having helmets and seat belt? Because they don't consider the risk involved. Can we do some more media publicity? Can we do more PR in that? Can let our leaders appeal to people? Can we show more crashes on television and other places that is how crashes are happening? Can we make things like dash cam mandatory in this country so that they can see from their own eyes how the accidents are happening? Can we do accident research? I'm involved with multiple organizations, whether it is IIT Delhi or ICAT or ARAI or Ministry of Road Transport or SIAM, ACMA, FICCI, CII, ESDC, FAD. Everywhere I see there is a leadership resolve. Now the time has come that we convert that into action, and that's why this passion, Rajeshji, that we are very close to that solution.
Right. But let me, Ramashankarji, let me compliment you on behalf of VDMA, all our members, and my personal behalf for taking up this topic, such an important and vital topic with so much passion, and you're creating awareness for this topic, which is so important. And as you said, it is the number of people that are dying, and since the solution and the problems are so close together, if we can follow the basic etiquettes, I think that can be avoided.